your potential customers. Definitely for IT industry or IT department, they need something like this. Yep, my name is Tao Song. I'm a senior systems engineer at Autism Spectrum Australia. Basically, I'm doing all IT things, including server, networking, and database applications. For the business requirement, usually we need to respond to users' IT inquiries as quick as possible. And also for the network and the system security, that's not visible for the end users, but that's the top priority in our daily IT administration task. So for this, and also sometimes our users have the new applications requirements that we need to look for the vendors to provide those solutions. And as an IT, we prepare the environment, like the server, like the network, firewall, this kind of thing. And also we as an IT team, we are maintaining maintaining the servers and the network at the backend, which is not visible for the users, but that's also a kind of business requirement from the organization. Yeah, we are using a lot of ManageEngine products, including Endpoint Central, ServiceDesk Plus, AD360. Yeah, basically every one of our IT team is using ManageEngine products depending on the daily tasks they're performing. Yeah, that's because we have a lot of employees coming and leaving. As the process of onboarding new starters, we need to create the user account, email address, and the permissions. That's if we do that manually in the, for example, in the Active Directory, that would take us a lot of time. But ADManager can help us doing this automatically in a very efficient way. So that's really help our help desk team to perform this task. Endpoint Central is very helpful for me to patch the servers. Every month they're Tuesday patching. Then if we do this manually on each server one by one, then that will be a kind of huge effort. But in Endpoint Central, I can define the policies and to deploy those patches automatically, and even can reboot the servers automatically. So that's a really time saving for administrators like us. And also Endpoint Central provides us with the remote control feature, which is very useful for us to support the end users, either in the office or remotely. That is really, really good feature, including the software deployment. We can deploy software based on the needs on the computers. So Endpoint Central is really helping us our daily administration. ServiceDesk Plus is being heavily used by our help desk. Previously, it was used by only the IT help desk to help our end users in their IT inquiries. And recently, we also onboard 2 more additional instances, which is one of them is named TAS, is a kind of education application. Another one is HR. In our company, it's called PCS, Service Center, where people can send their inquiries to PCS Service Center. Then our HR team can help the users in their requests. Whenever users need to change their password, and including their location, sometimes the users are moving around between different sites. So they can do this by themselves without any involvement from IT team. That's a kind of lot of time saving for us. ManageEngine is a growing product in the market share. So your organization is trying everything you could to improve the products. That's very helpful for our existing customers, and I believe our good experience will also be something useful for your potential customers. Definitely for IT industry or IT department, they need something like this. For ManageEngine support, I'm very happy for what they are doing, because they can always give us a timely response, and they are supporting us proactively, not only from the ticket that I have raised with ManageEngine, but also the product manager, the sales manager. They always try to reach out me for any requirement from our organization, and so that is what I like, and the ticket, and I believe their ManageEngine support are very kind of capable of fixing the problems that are raised by not only ourselves but also by many of the other organizations. They are quite skillful people and quite helpful. For ManageEngine product, it's helped us a lot. For example, the ADManager, it saves us a lot of time in onboarding and offboarding the employees, and also ServiceDesk Plus. It is helping us to get the users' inquiries resolved as quick as possible. And like Endpoint Central, as the system administrators, we can do a lot of tasks automatically instead of manually, which also saves us a lot of time. So yes, definitely, I will recommend my friends or colleagues, former colleagues, ManageEngine product in their IT daily work.